Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to use the replace expression in Power Automate. This is a super useful feature when you need to automatically swap out specific words or phrases in your text strings, and it's easier than you might think. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your web browser and navigate to make.powerautomate.com. Once the page loads, log into your Power Automate account using your credentials. This will take you to your main dashboard where you can access all your flows and automations. After logging in, look at the left side of your screen and click on Create. This is where you'll start building your new automation from scratch. From the options that appear, click on Instant Cloud Flow. This type of flow is perfect for testing expressions because you can trigger it manually whenever you need to. When the setup window appears, you'll see some configuration options, but for now, just click Skip. This lets you build your flow without pre-selecting specific triggers or templates. Next, click on Add a Trigger to define how your flow will start. In the search box that appears, type Manually Trigger a Flow and click on it when it shows up. This trigger allows you to run your flow on demand, which is ideal for testing purposes. Now it's time to add your first action. Click the plus icon to add a new step to your flow. In the search field, type Initialize Variable and select it from the results. This action lets you create a variable that will store your text string. Give your variable a name in the name field. For this example, let's call it Sample. Then click the drop-down menu next to Type and select String from the list. This tells Power Automate that your variable will contain text. In the Value field, enter the text you want to work with. For instance, you could type Good day, my name is Test. This is the string where you'll replace a specific word later on, so the variable now holds this exact text. Next, click the plus icon again to add another action. Search for Compose and click on it. The Compose action is useful because it lets you build and test expressions without affecting other parts of your flow. Now click on the Input field inside the Compose action, and you'll notice a small FX button appears. Click on FX to open the expression editor. This is where you'll write your replace function. In the expression field, type replace open parenthesis. Then add a single quote and type the name of the variable you created earlier. In this case, it's sample. After that, close the single quote and add two closing parentheses. Now type a comma, then input the word you want to replace. For example, type single quote test single quote. Add another comma and then type the new word you want to use instead. For this example, type single quote tutorial single quote. Once you've entered the complete expression, click Add to insert it into the Compose action. Your expression should now look like this: replace open parentheses, single quote, sample, single quote, close parentheses, comma, single quote, test, single quote, comma, single quote, tutorial, single quote. And that's it. You've successfully set up a replace expression in Power Automate. Now you can click Save to store your flow and then hit Run to test it. When you run the flow, it will take the text from your variable and replace the word test with tutorial automatically. You've just learned how to dynamically swap out words in your text strings using Power Automate. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.